making cookies using about to expire cake mix. Welcome. I'm Eileen Judd, the BusyMoneyBee. I'm an expert in frugal living and I'm a mom of 4. Today we'll be making lemon cake cookies, and I advise you to take a screenshot of this recipe right here for future reference. These cookies are so delicious and super simple. I'm excited to show you. Remember to hit subscribe because I post videos every Tuesday on money saving tips and recipes and other fun things. So let's get to it. Adding the cake mix. Since cake mix is only 15 ounces, I'm adding a 1/4 cup of flour. Two eggs. Half a cup of oil. Mix it all up. And I've already preheated the oven, 350 degrees. Using a wire whisk was probably not the best idea. Oh well. I'm going to blob it onto the cookie sheet. Cookies look like they're done. Yep, the cookies are definitely done. These other ones, do about 1 more minute. Just about 1 more minute. Once the cookies cool, feel free to ice them with the icing that matches the cake mix. Remember to hit subscribe and like and watch one of these videos that are picked just for you. Till next time, happy savings. See you in the next video. Bye.